Welcome to Jasmine Trades. Jasmine Trades is a commodity trading platform designed to simplify and streamline commodity trade and transactions. In this video, you will be guided through each step of the trade process, from initiation to completion, to help you understand how trades are managed seamlessly on the platform. For a complete demonstration of the trade process, we are using both a buyer account and a trader account. In this walkthrough, the screen will switch between these two accounts to reflect a real-world scenario, where the buyer and the trader perform their respective actions at different stages of the trade. Members of the platform can view all the current active offers available on Jasmine Trades. If an offer matches their requirement, they can proceed to purchase it. In the case of FOB, the buyer needs to select the shipping destination. However, for CIF offers, the buyer can directly proceed with the purchase, as the shipping cost is already calculated. Once you click on the purchase button, you will be prompted to enter an OTP. After the OTP is successfully verified, the trade is locked and the trade process officially begins. From the buyer's side, the offer is now purchased. You can navigate to the trade section to view and track the ongoing trade. In the trader's account, navigate to the trade section, and you may see a prompt requesting a freight cost update. If the freight cost on the platform was last updated more than 7 days ago, the system will ask you to request an updated freight cost from the Jasmine Trades administrator. In the next step, enter the consignee name and notify party details. It is important to ensure this information is accurate, as it will be reflected in the sales contract. The seller or trader will then upload the sales contract and proforma invoice, which the buyer is required to review and sign. Once the sales contract is signed, the buyer can proceed with the advance payment. Branding artwork can be uploaded, if required, as part of the trade. After receiving the advance payment, the seller then updates the shipment status at each stage, such as goods loaded onto trucks, goods at the port, goods stuffed into containers, and goods loaded onto the vessel. These updates are visible to both the buyer and the seller in real time, and via email updates as well. Next, the seller shares the logistics details with the buyer. The seller uploads the required trade documents, which the buyer reviews and either accepts or rejects. If any document is rejected, the seller is notified to make the necessary corrections and re-upload the document for review. This process continues until all documents are accepted. Once all documents are approved, the buyer proceeds with the final payment. On the other end, seller acknowledges the payment as received. The seller then sends the original hard copy documents to the buyer via courier. After receiving the original documents, the buyer confirms documents received in the system. At this stage, the trade is completed, and both parties can review the trade and provide ratings for each other. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and happy trading with Jasmine Trades.